What is up mga kakambals? Yeah, we have a special vlog because we're going to Samarkand and Bukhara. So, sila Chico ay currently on their autumn break. Like, what I'm doing now is I'm packing all my stuff. Here, let me show you guys. So we have this 5-day trip. What will happen is Sunday, alis kami na umaga, 8 a.m. Sasakay kami ng train going to Samarkand and then going to Bukhara. So yun yung itinerary namin. So currently wala si Chico. She's in the church. So ako nagpapack currently. So it's Saturday evening. And then tomorrow alis na kami. Nakapag impake na si Chico. She was able to get all her things sorted out bago pa ako. So, ako yung ngayon. Nag-impake ng magamit ko. Sa kanya yung silver na yan. I'll show you guys. That's her luggage. I have one backpack and then one medium-sized. Oh no, this is a small-sized. Because a small-sized luggage. Kasi yung isang luggage is hindi maganda yung gulong. So, bali na ata, I think. So, hindi gumagana. Meron lang ako pinak na mga sweaters. Meron dyan, sweaters. Panyo. Shawl. Meron din pants. I got 3 pants for tomorrow. 3 pants. Good for 5 days. Tapos, mostly sweaters because malamig sa Samarkand and Bukhara. Just to tell you guys, the month, November 2nd. It's November 1. Yan. So, while I'm filming this, it's November 1. November 2, alis namin. For 5-day trip, okay na yan. Some shirts, 5 sweaters. 4. Naparaming sweaters because malamig din eh. So, pag habang nagtitrip kami, kahit tanghali kasi doon, ano talaga siya, chilly. So, yun. And then, ulit-ulitin na lang yung iba. And then, yeah. Din ang heat tag nandun sa backpack. And then, yeah. This is what I got for tomorrow. Alright, see you later, guys. Bye! What is up, mga kakambals? Good morning. Ayan, so it's Sunday. What day is today, Cassie?
Sunday for
No, it's not. It's someday. It's Sunday.
For summer camp.
Okay. Where are we going?
Summer camp. Summer camp.
Samarkand. And ilang degrees sa labas?
8. Last I checked.
8 degrees.
Hindi, ano na pala? 9 na pala.
So 9 degrees. Ano
That
oras?
feels like 8. 9
Ano oras?
degrees.
Ano oras?
7:38.
7:30. So papunta kami ng train station ngayon.
So cold.
I know, right?
Like summer camp.
Like summer ka. Not yet. Punta muna kami. Hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. So kumukulo yung tiyan ko. Sana okay lang.
I want rice.
You want rice?
Walang shorty.
Okay. So yun. Imi-meet namin yung mga kasama namin papuntang Samarkand. Yung mga co-teachers ni Chico.
Yes.
Ilan tayo mabiyahe ngayon?
6.
6. Balitaan namin kayo pag nandun na kami. See you guys. Say bye. See you later. Nag-Sofia daw muna siya. Morning.
Morning.
Ling. Where are we now?
Still Tashkent.
Now still Tashkent, but we're on the
Train.
going to hindi kami naka-Afrosiyab eh. Kung naka-Afrosiyab kami, we're only taking 2 hours ng biyahe. So this one, 4 hours siya. So yun talaga. So 8:40 departure. Dating namin 9, 10, 11, 12, 12:40, almost 1 p.m. Tanghali lang, tapat. So yeah, see you guys. Tapos mamaya, vlog ko na lang yung mga areas na dadaanan namin. See you.
Parang desert. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're in Texas. Design Texas. Yeah, right? And there. It's you and me in Samarkand. Ay, ba't umalis ka? Time check, 11:59. Base sa ticket, 15 minutes na lang. 15 minutes na lang. 16 minutes to be exact. Kasi 12:15 kami makakarating sa Samarkand Station. Pili ko nga nasa Samarkand na kami. Mga bahay-bahay na. Todo food. Todo cellphone.
And yes, mga kapambals, good afternoon. We're here right now. So from Tashkent, we're here now in Samarkand. Kakarating lang namin. We're just waiting for the others to get back. So yan, nasa likod ko yung train papuntang Bukhara. At least 21.
Hi, room tour. Dito sa Sangzor Boutique Hotel in Samarkand. So, let's go. Let's start. Sinara ko muna para may element of surprise. Now, ito yung toilet, bathroom and toilet. Tada! Okay, in fairness, medyo malaki siya. So, ito yung heated. Heated ano kasi to, rack. Kita ko na rin dun sa isang hotel sa may Tashkent. So, matutuyo talaga yung gamit, yung mga damit. And then, we have bidet, which is so happy. May bidet. And then, may bathtub din. So, kita namin tong hotel na to kay Ivan. And then, ito yung hotel room namin. This is a junior suite. So, medyo maliit lang yung beds. 2 separate beds. Pero mangunguha kami ng bed sa kabila. Kasi naka-queen sila and marami silang bed. So, may cabinets. Ayan. Fairness. May extra pillow. And then, ito yung, syempre nag-charge na kami ka. May tea, may kettle. Meron ako. Malaki ng TV. Oh, diba? Tapos may working station. Ito. Ayan. Tsaka may mga bata sa labas na maingay. Ayan. Ang view namin, if yung university sa tapat, ayun. Yes. Tapos dyan sa street na yan, bawal yung cars. Ang pwede lang golf cart. Tsaka, kasi walking street siya. Kaya maganda. But so nice. Ayan, dito naman yung view ng hotel room from here. Ayan. Hi, ayan. So, nagkaroon ng change of plans. Kasi, mas malaki yung kabilang room. Yan, yung room ni Miss Chris and Miss Kat. So, they proposed na magpalit na lang kami. Ito na yung bagong room tour. Yan. This is Queen Suite. Tama, yan. So, ito yung door. So, pagpasok ng door, yan, may mirror dito. Ito yung cabinets. Dito ngayon, merong slippers. Tapos, extra pillows, may safe. And then, nandiyan na yung mga jackets namin. And then, agad yung toilet. Same, may bidet, may heated rack. Ayan. And, bathtub. Okay. And then, paglabas natin, hindi ako, ito lang. Kaya, ang laki niya. So, ito, merong, dito may sofa. Yan. Tapos, merong pang ganito. May bed doon. May bed pa dito. Tapos, may queen size bed pa. So, yan, medyo malaki siya. Kumpara dun sa kabila. Yan.
Console table.
Yan, oo. Ang laki. Malaki siya. And, ang view niya, same lang din.
Same side.
Ayan. Yung university. Yes. Yun lang. From here, ito yung view. Yan. Laki. Thank you. Hi.
Mababa lang naman.
Oo. Ano yan?
Hello. Ang bango.
Iba din yung sa market.
First meal.
Kamusta ang vibe ng summer gun?
Ganda.
Chill.
And yes, so katatapos lang namin kumain. Diretso naman kami sa BB Canog.
Yes!
There.
Ang sarap ng food.
Sarap ng food. Anong gusto mo?
Anong gustuhan ko?
Plov? Yung tsaa? Hindi mo tinikman yung plov?
Ay, hindi ko natikman. Hello.
Yeah, naririnig nila.
Ay, Happy New Year. Magkano lang yung yung ilan tayo? 7 kami.
7, how much lang?
7 kami. Tapos yung bill namin, 749,000.
Pati ko 100. Oh, pati ko 110.
Parang gano'n. So, medyo mura siya, which
So,
is
okay
good.
siya.
Good kasi ilang araw pa kami.
Kung nagtitipid, ano talaga. Alright.
Si Cassie naman, kasi ikaw naman.
Because it's a fat cat.
Alright, it's a fat cat. How was it? How's the food?
Good.
That's good?
Yeah.
What did you eat nga pala?
Lamb.
Lamb? What? Naglam ka
Butter
ba?
rice
Wow, talaga!
and fries.
Masarap?
Yeah.
Is it good? Okay. Alright, eto na yung BB Kanom. Nandito na kami. Naglakad lang kami from there sa restaurant.
The cat.
Show you guys.
The cat was on the tree. It was climbing on the tree.
And yes, here we are. So, ito na nga. As you can see sa likod, ito yung BB Kanom. Go. So, it's been there like 14th century. Sobrang tagal na. And then, sobrang lamig din dito. Sobrang sarap. Ang weird lang nung feeling kasi parang hindi siya nabibigyan ng justice pag nasa mga vlog. Pero pag nandito na kayo, ang ganda ng lugar. How was it? How's the place?
It's cold.
It's cold, right? Halos matatapos sa amin ikutin siya. So, ang dami talagang parang intricate details na mamimiss mo sa ibang vlog ng mga vloggers. Parang hindi sila nabibigyan ng justice if you're just seeing it by the, by the video. Kailangan nandito kayo. Tapos sabi nga nung sabi nung isang kasama namin, makadagdag din yung season na autumn. So, talagang pasok. Mararamdam mo ang ganda talaga ng lugar. Nakaka-enjoy. Tahimik din kasi. Then, right in front of me is yung Quran nila, yung malaki. Parang replica lang ata ito. I'll show you guys. Here. Ayun. Ayan. Sabi nila, yung ibang ginagawa ng ibang tao dyan is yung mga hindi nabubuntis pa. Parang sumusuot sila sa ilalim. They crawl underneath that rock. And then right after nun, parang nagkakaroon ng miracle. Na nagiging preggy sila. Yung mga babae. So yun, pag nangingi sila ng blessing. So, I think replica na to nasa labas. But it's really big. May mga boulders sa ibabaw. Parang Stonehenge type.
Pupunta kayo dito sa BB Kanom. 75,000 soms per person. Tapos, bali 75,000 soms ay 367.71 pesos per person. Pero maganda dito sa loob. Tsaka sulit na yun kasi madaming pictures. Yun lang.
Yes, so tapos na kami dun sa isang spot. Nasa likod ko lang naman. May katabi siyang Chorsu Bazaar. So open naman siya. Ang dami talagang tourist kasi nagkataon na kasama namin ngayon yung mga sa UNESCO World Heritage. So marami din sila. So yan, nasa likod. Sa harap lang niya, right in front of the bazaar is yung kanina pinuntahan namin heritage site ng UNESCO. Solid, no? Sobrang lapit lang talaga. It's really meant for tourists. Nasa lechi. Hello! Ayan. Bili-bili sila.
How was it? The cheap pomegranate. Ito, 20,000 lang dito. Sa Tashkent, how much? 70! 70, diba? Okay.
Thank you. So yun, nakabili na sila ng show nila. Ano? Thank you so much. Nakabili na sila ng mga show nila. Makabili din kami ng pomegranate kanina. Yung mga bata ang kukulit eh. Meron din mga makukulit na bata dito. Somehow. Hinila talaga ako papunta dun sa sa shop nung bebenta ng pomegranate. Okay naman. Mura lang naman. 10 yung maliit. And then 22 yung gantong size. So medyo maasim. Mukhang na kami ngayon. We're heading back to the hotel. Yeah, say good night. So right at this point, we decided to go to the Registan Square. So ayaw pa namin umuwi. Hi. Gutom sila eh. Meron tayo sa Registan Saltinia. Coffee and gelato. So nag-waffles lang kami. We're just waiting for our orders. Are you okay, Gafi? She's cold. Yan, kasi makulit. Look. So, ayun. Kakatapos lang ng light show, projector towards the facade ng building. It's nighttime na kasi.
6, 7.
It's nighttime na kasi. Dito ay kakatapos lang ng... Which one, Cassie? What is it? What did we watch? We watched light show. So for the projector, you know, pabalik lang sa hotel. And then bukas ulit. Grabe yung lamig dito. Parang yung 12 degrees feels like 8. Tahimik na tahimik lang dito. Alright, ayan sila sa unahan. Alright, mga kakambals. Tulugan muna and see you in the morning. Bye! Bye!